Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money with TapTap Send. All right, let's begin. First, download the TapTap Send app from your app store and log into your account. Once you are logged in, return to the home page to start your transfer. Begin by selecting the recipient's country. For example, you can choose the country where you want to send the money. At the top of the screen, you will see the current exchange rate and the currency you are sending from. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You can type the amount in your own currency or in the recipient's currency. Make sure you check how much the receiver will get before continuing. After that, tap Next and add your recipient's details. Select Add New Recipient. Choose the payout method such as bank transfer and enter the recipient's full name, bank name, and account number. Depending on the country, you may also need to enter extra details, like a bank code. Once the recipient information is complete, proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment details and review the transfer summary. If everything looks correct, confirm the payment. You can track the transfer anytime by opening the menu and checking transfer history. If verification is required, upload your ID and a quick selfie to complete the process. So that's basically how you can transfer money with TapTap Send. That's it for this video. Thanks.